Where are you, lad? Where are you, lad? I'm gonna fight Apple. A level 1.
It's World War 3.
Gotta be strong, lad. I'm gonna be strong. Yay, free create.
I'm gonna help you. Okay, just accept my party. Accept my party.
Who are you? Oh, that.
Okay, I'm gonna help you. Bam. 10.
Ah, yes. Oh. Oh, din dun. Yes. By 10? Why should I? Just give me races.
The pets can give you more strength.
Yeah. I know this game. I should go get golden apple. Lirila.
I think you're almost to. I think you need one more level to go to the next world.
Pow!
He doesn't know I'm actually. I'm just kidding, guys. You didn't hear anything. I'm just doing my own thing.
You sure about that?
I'm just a pro player. I'm not a YouTuber, okay?
I don't know.
Okay, you're enough to go to the next world. Pipi Popa. People painting. Bro, go to the next world. The rebirth is rebirth this.
No more rebirth.
There's a rebirth right here. Rebirth and you get more strength.
Okay.
Oh my god, you're enough to rebirth. Oh, this rebirth! Rebirth! Go to the giant Boneca. Because I'm waiting, holding mine.
Okay.
I'll be waiting for you in the next world. Okay, I'm going back.
Alright, play blood.
Bakit na hindi mag-cellphone niya mag-charge?